Hello everyone. Today we are going to be looking at the best skin product for you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. There is really nothing like a best skincare product, because skincare products work differently for different people, based on the skin type to some extent. A product that is the best skincare product for one person might end up being the worst for another person. So, a more logical question to ask would be, what is the best skincare product for my type of skin? However, this still is not completely logical. We tend to segregate people into 4 groups based on their skin types: dry skin, oily skin, normal skin, sensitive skin. However, this classification is just too broad to be used definitively in determining the best skincare product. We can say, best skincare product for a dry skin or best skincare product for an oily skin are better statements than just best skincare product. But really, that is what it is, better, still not accurate. So, it really comes to rephrasing the question to, what is the best skincare product for me? Yes, this is exactly the question that you should be asking, and unfortunately there is no easy answer for this. Arriving at the best skincare product for self will need some effort on your part. First of all, you need to understand how the skincare products work. This is simple. You can consider all skincare products to be composed of 2 types of ingredients: active and inactive. The active ingredients are the ones that actually work on your skin. The inactive ones just help in delivering these active ingredients to your skin. Both the ingredients need to work for your skin, in order for the product to be effective, and move on to become the best skincare product for you. Besides the ingredients, the way you apply your skincare products is equally important. In fact, this is even more important. If you do not know how to apply skincare products, you might forever be hunting for the best skincare product for yourself, when that has already passed you. Moreover, it's also important to decide on the frequency of application of the skincare product. The environmental factors, temperature, humidity and pollution level, also affect the selection of best skincare product. Here are a few rules that you could use to ensure that your best skincare product is really the best for you. Cleanse your skin before applying that best skincare product. Use a makeup remover instead of plain water and remove your makeup before going to bed. The effectiveness of active ingredients is reduced when applied over another product. Apply the products on moist and warm skin. You will have to experiment with a few products before you arrive at the one that is the best skincare product for you. Do not exfoliate too much or too hard. Vary your skincare routine as per the seasons, winter, summer, etc., changes in environmental factors and changes in your skin type. Note that the best skincare product cannot be determined overnight. What is natural skincare? Put simply, natural skincare is caring for your skin in a natural and chemical-free way. Natural skincare advocates enabling the skin to take care of itself. Natural skincare is about inculcation of good habits in the way you lead your day-to-day life. A lot of natural skincare measures are actually the same as those for body care in general. So let's see what these natural skincare measures are. Well, the first and the foremost natural skincare measure is drink a lot of water. Around 8 glasses of water is a must every day. Water helps in flushing out the toxins from the body in a natural way. It helps in the overall upkeep of the body and promotes good health for all organs, not just skin. Number 2. General cleanliness is another inexpensive way of natural skincare. Daily shower, wearing clean clothes, sleeping on a clean mattress, pillow, are all part of general cleanliness. After all, clean skin is the key to keeping the skin disorders at bay. Number 3. Regular exercise is the next thing on the cards. Exercise increases the flow of blood that helps in getting rid of body toxins and keeping you healthy. Exercise also helps in beating stress, which is the worst enemy of good health. Number 4. Healthy food and eating habits are also recommended for natural skincare. Some type of food, e.g. oily food, is known to cause acne and should be avoided as much as possible. Your diet should be a healthy mix of various nutrient-providing foods. Raw fruits and vegetables are known to provide freshness to your body and help in getting rid of body toxins. Number 5. A good sleep is also instrumental in maintaining good health and in beating stress. As a natural skincare measure, a good sleep delays slacking of skin. Number 6. Beating stress is another natural skincare therapy. Stress causes overall damage to body and health. Drinking a lot of water, getting a sound sleep and exercise has already been mentioned as stress busters. Indulging in a warm bubble bath, listening to music and playing your favorite sport are also good ways of beating stress. Yoga is yet another way of beating stress. It is fast gaining popularity amongst the masses. Number 7. Avoiding excessive exposure to sun is another natural skincare strategy. Sunscreen lotions are also recommended as necessary. A lot of traditional and homemade natural skincare measures are also known to be very effective. Such measures are not only natural and easy to follow, but also relatively inexpensive. Besides that, a lot of natural skincare products are available in the commercial market. These include things like lavender oil, aloe vera, etc., which don't have any side effects. Serious skincare. Serious skincare is about maintaining a healthy and glowing skin all through your life. As you grow older, your body's natural skincare mechanisms become weaker. So, serious skincare is about responding to the changing needs of your skin. Thus, serious skincare is about constantly evaluating, analyzing and changing your skincare routines. Your skincare routine should change based on the environmental conditions, your age and changes in your skin type. Serious skincare is also about awareness. With the technological advancements and research, more and more facts are being brought to light every day. Also, the composition and nature of skincare products seems to be changing with time. So trying out the new products is also a part of serious skincare. However, serious skincare advises using a new product over a small patch of skin, not facial skin, first, just to see how your skin reacts to it. Serious skincare also means knowing how to use your skincare products. Good practices include things like applying the moisturizers while the skin is damp, using upward strokes for better penetration of skincare products, removing the makeup before going to bed, cleansing before moisturizing or applying makeup, using the correct amount of skincare products, etc. Thus, increasing the effectiveness of your skincare products is another focus area of serious skincare. Serious skincare means being gentle with your skin. Things like over-exfoliation, use of low-quality products, application of strong chemical-based products, are all harmful to your skin. Some people have a wrong notion about serious skincare. For them, serious skincare is using large quantities of products as often as possible. However, this really isn't serious skincare, and that's why awareness is so important. Serious skincare is also about visiting your dermatologist for treatment of skin disorders. Ignoring the skin disorders can be fatal for your skin and might lead to permanent damage. So, if the things don't improve with over-the-counter medication, you should immediately visit a dermatologist. Self-surgery, e.g. squeezing of acne, pimples, is a big no. It can lead to permanent damage of your skin. So, serious skincare is more about precautions and preventive measures than treatment. Serious skincare is about being proactive as well as reactive. In fact, we can say that serious skincare is about being proactive about the needs of your skin so that the need for being reactive is reduced to a minimum. And that's it for today, everyone. Hope you guys learned a lot about skincare products and about how to take good care of your skin. See you guys tomorrow with another exciting health tip video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive instant updates on our videos.